This recording is made for internal documentation. The purpose of the project is theoretical validation. These diagrams describe the structural limits of biological decay. Failure is not random. It follows design. Regeneration already exists in nature. Our task is not creation, but acceleration. If cellular failure can be delayed indefinitely, then mortality becomes a variable. This experiment exists to test that variable.
Initial trials using animal specimens produced unexpected results. Motor response latency decreased significantly, while behavioral stability deteriorated. In several cases, subjects displayed elevated aggression shortly after exposure. These reactions were considered temporary side effects of the regenerative process. Despite the risks, authorization was granted to proceed to the next stage of testing. The objective remained unchanged: to determine whether controlled regeneration could be sustained in a human body. Early trials using amphibian and small mammalian specimens produced measurable regenerative responses. Damaged tissue structures demonstrated partial restoration under controlled conditions. Cellular activity remained elevated for extended periods, suggesting that the process could temporarily override normal biological limits. However, repeated exposure also produced behavioral instability in several subjects. Elevated aggression and unpredictable motor responses were documented during later stages of testing. Despite these complications, the underlying regenerative mechanism remained scientifically verifiable. Laboratory analysis confirmed accelerated cellular repair beyond naturally observed rates. After review of the collected data, authorization was granted to proceed to the next phase. The project received formal clearance from state authorities under classified biomedical research directives. With government oversight established, human trials were approved under controlled laboratory conditions. The objective was clear: to determine whether the regenerative process could be stabilized within a human biological system. The first human experiment began under controlled laboratory conditions. The subject was placed inside a sealed containment chamber and connected to monitoring equipment. Initial readings remained stable as the solution was introduced. A synthetic compound was administered through the circulatory system. No immediate adverse response was observed. However, subtle cellular activity began to increase beyond expected parameters. Regeneration initiated. Tissue reconstruction progressing rapidly. Limb structure fully restored. Results exceed projected outcomes.
Containment. Containment's failing. It's out. It's out. Move! Run! Run!
Keep the line ready. Send it. Hold perimeter. No sudden moves. Copy. Trank going hot. Send it.
Muted pop. Dart impact. Creature ground.
Dart in. Watch for collapse. Keep distance. Breathing's dropping.